To find the best drone on Temu, start by defining your needs and budget. Determine the purpose of the drone, whether it is for recreational use, photography, or racing, and set a price range. This will help narrow down your search and ensure you find a drone that meets your requirements. Next, visit the Temu website and use the search bar to look for drones. You can filter the results by price, brand, and customer reviews to find the most suitable options. Look for drones with high ratings and reviews from multiple customers to ensure you are getting a reliable product. Consider the key features of the drone, such as camera resolution, flight time, and range. If you plan to use the drone for photography, look for one with a high-quality camera and stable gimbal. If you plan to use it for racing, look for one with a high-speed motor and durable design. Check the specifications of the drone, including the type of battery, charging time, and weight. Make sure the drone is easy to assemble and repair, and that spare parts are available. Also, consider the warranty and customer support offered by the seller. Read reviews from other customers to get an idea of the drone's performance and any potential issues. Look for reviews that mention the drone's flight performance, camera quality, and durability. You can also check the seller's ratings and reviews to ensure you are buying from a reputable source. Finally, compare the prices of different drones and look for any discounts or promotions. Make sure to check the shipping costs and estimated delivery time to ensure you get the drone quickly and at a reasonable price. By following these steps, you can find the best drone on Temu that meets your needs and budget. Remember to do your research, read reviews, and compare prices to ensure you get a high-quality drone that provides a great flying experience.